Every year, business around the globe lose millions due to poor dealer management, missed sales, stock out, and endless manual work. But what if I said managing hundreds and thousands of dealers and retailers was as easy as checking your mobile phone? Hi, my name is Raman, and I'm from a company called Emerging Alliance, a certified channel partner of Salesforce. I've come across more than 500 plus customers who have implemented dealer management network. Guess what? Dealer management systems are one of the most complicated systems to implement. In my experience, I've come across a lot of successful implementations and at the same time also seen some flops. We at Emerging Alliance have consolidated my 15 years of experience to come up with a dealer management solution which is powered by Salesforce. Yes, you got it right. Dealer management system powered by Salesforce. Now, let's imagine a system where your parent or manufacturing company, your dealers, your retailers, your field service agents, sales agent all work seamlessly on one common platform. Orders flow automatically, stocks are updated in real time, and every transaction is tracked effortlessly and there is absolutely no manual intervention. That's exactly what our Salesforce-powered dealer management system does. Now, stay with me to see how the system breaks down chaos into complete control. Everything from lead capturing, order capturing, inventory status updates, retail inventory status updates, everything from field sales to invoicing, from inventory to returns, from field sales and service agent tracking and monitoring to their expense management, all covered in the system with the power of Salesforce. So in this video, we'll cover three key aspects. What is unique about this dealer management solution? Number two, key features by user type. That is, what features will the parent company or manufacturing company use? What features will a field agent use? What features will the dealers and retailers use, and so on. And finally, the third aspect, a detailed workflow and transaction flow of the application. So let's see in detail the first aspect, which is what is unique about this dealer management solution. Number one, the solution is completely built on Salesforce. Yes, you heard it right. This is completely built on Salesforce. Unlike other standalone DMS solution, is 100% native Salesforce application. Now, that means it seamlessly integrates with other Salesforce capability like Salesforce Cloud, like Salesforce CRM, Service Cloud, and not only that, there is provision to integrate this particular application with other third-party ERP solutions like SAP or Oracle or Dynamics. Plus, it's built on Salesforce Lightning framework, ensuring an intuitive, modern, and high-performance user experience across all the devices where the application is used. The second uniqueness is end-to-end real-time visibility. One of the biggest challenge in a dealer management system is to track inventory in real time across multiple locations. Now, with our system, you get real-time stock visibility across multiple locations at every level, whether it is stock at a principal warehouse or the dealer warehouse or the retailer, you get to see it. Every stock movement, whether it is increase or decrease, is automatically recorded when a particular transaction happens, ensuring transparency and preventing stockouts at the same time overstocking. The third uniqueness is mobile first approach to the field agents. Empower your field agents, might they be sales agents or service agents, with dedicated mobile apps. Our app allows them to plan their customer visits, mark their attendance, check in and check out during the visits that they make, update retailer stock, take orders at the retailer end, and not only that, post their travel expenses, get the approval, and even claim and reimburse. As I told you, with built-in geolocation services, tracking and time-stamping every customer visit happens accurately, giving supervisors, managers, and executives sitting at an HO the exact location of where their field agents are. The fourth uniqueness is automated order and delivery process. No more lost orders or delayed shipments. Our system automatically routes orders from retailers to dealers and from dealers to the principal. Instant notification and alerts keep everyone in the ecosystem completely updated on stock availability, order status, and approvals, which in turn ensures faster fulfillment and improved customer satisfaction. The fifth uniqueness is seamless ERP integration. Managing financial transactions like invoicing is pretty flexible with our system. Whether you're using a Salesforce invoicing functionality within Salesforce or an ERP, the system also handles automated invoice approvals between the dealer and the principals, which exactly reduces the paperwork and speeds up the transaction. The sixth and the last uniqueness is AI-powered dashboards and reports. With Salesforce, you have Einstein at the core, which is the AI capability built within Salesforce. So whether you want to predict stock movements or analyze sales performance, the system is AI-powered and driven, helping you forecast demand, track order fulfillment rates, and optimize stock levels. So no more guesswork, just data-driven decisions to drive business growth. The next key aspect that we're going to look into this video is features of the solution by user type. When I mean user type, I'm talking about principal of the manufacturing company and their users is one user type. Dealers are another user type. Retailers are another user type. Field agents, might they be service field agent or sales field agent, they are another user type. So these are the 4 user types available in a dealer management ecosystem. So we're going to see what are the various features available in this particular dealer management system powered by Salesforce for each and every user type. Number 1, what are the various features available for dealers? We have dealer stock visibility and management. For dealers to view stock at the retailer end as well as at the principal's end. Dealer delivery management facilitates dealers to deliver their goods to the retailers. Dealer returns handling. This feature facilitates the dealers to handle returns from the retailers. Now these are macro level features and functionalities. There are many, but I'm just sticking to the most important features available for dealers. The second one, features available for retailers. Retailer stock visibility. Now retailers can get to see what is the stock available at the dealer end. If required, it can also be configured for them to see what is available at the principal's end too. Retailer order placement. The system has capability where the retailer himself can be empowered to place the order, or a field agent on behalf of the retailer can also place the order to a particular dealer. Retailer returns management. Now this is to make sure that if there are any returns available to be made to the dealer, then the retailer can use this functionality. And finally, retail stock correction or stock add and deletion, which allows the retailer to basically upgrade the stock, because in a dealer management system, stock at a retailer end is something which cannot be monitored to 100% accuracy. So this is something which manually is fed by the retailer or the field agent who visits the retailer, and so you have a functionality for that also. Third one, functionalities for field agents. The first one is visit plans. The second one, remote attendance. Third one, retailer visit check-in and checkouts. Fourth one, retailer order placements. Fifth one, travel expense management and claims. And finally, if there is any new lead or prospect or retail addition or deletion, that can also be done through their mobile app or the web interface. And finally, for principals, obviously inventory management, they can get to see inventory at their end, the dealer end, the retailer end, order processing, invoicing, all orders which flows in from the dealers, they can process it and they can also invoice it to the dealers. And finally, the most important one, sales performance and analytics. So the principals can get to see various kind of reports and dashboard in the dealer management ecosystem. I don't want to go into the nitty-gritties of what are the reports and dashboards. That's something which can be configured for different businesses in different ways as per their requirement. Now that I've explained 2 key aspects of this particular video. One is what is unique about this product. Number 2, what are the various features and functionalities available for various user type. The last one is I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the transactional or the workflow of how the entire application works. That's the most interesting part of this particular video. The entire journey in this basically starts with a field agent. The field agent basically creates a visit plan which further gets submitted to his supervisor and gets approved. So the field agent knows the next week to the next month, what are the places where he has to visit, who are the retailers he need to visit. This is not only something that the field agent knows, but it is something that the supervisor also knows. Once the visit plan is approved and created, the field agent starts traveling. So there's always, when you push the remote attendance, but what happens is the time stamping and the geolocation is recorded. So at any point of time, principals can get to see where are the field agents available in any part of the country. Once the attendance is marked, the field agent goes Salesforce from one retailer to other and so on. So at every retailer, he basically can do a check-in, do his transaction, take his order, correct the stocks, and finally do a checkout. So the system maintains time details and the location details of every visit that the field agent does. As I told, during every visit, the field agent basically takes orders. It can be done right through his mobile app or a laptop screen if he wants to have a bigger screen. And once the orders are taken, if there is any stock correction that needs to be done at a retailer end, that is also done in this particular case. That's also done by the field agent. And finally, when the field agent places the order, there's a notification or alert which is generated to the dealer, the respective dealer of that particular retailer, that there is an order booked by a retailer or an agent on behalf of the retailer. Now, based on the notification, the dealer basically sees what are the list of items which are required for delivery and if the items is available in stock or not available in stock. Two decisions: partial quantity available, the dealer plans to ship it to the retailer, makes a delivery note. If stock is not available, he places a back-to-back order to the principal. Or if there are multiple dealers who are asking for the particular stock, or if there are multiple orders coming from dealer for which stock is not available, he also has capability to consolidate them. Now, once the order is placed by the dealer to the principal basically gets a notification. Now, based on that notification, he starts shipping the item to the dealer with an invoice. Now, this ensures that the stock at the principal end is reduced and the stock at the dealer end is basically increased. And if there are any approvals involved in this particular transaction, that is also built into the system. Once the dealer receives the stock for the items which he has not delivered to the retailer, now it's available, then he pushes those items or transfers those items or invoices those items to the retailer. Now, getting into the returns, the retailer receives the material from the dealer. If there are any returns, then the retailer can basically place a return order to the dealer and the dealer basically can accept it based on an approval workflow mechanism. And similarly, the returns concept also works between the dealer and the principal. The only difference is dealers might sometimes consolidate all the returns and push one transaction to the principal. One thing in the workflow, the field agent who basically made the trip would want to submit his travel expenses for reimbursement or claim. Now, that can be done through his mobile app or his laptop or PC, where he has capability to post his bills, his expenses and everything and submit it. It has a workflow where the manager approves it, and finally you have finance or accounts who basically reimburses it. All this built in one single system, which is dealer management solution powered by Salesforce. To conclude this entire video, we have leveraged the robustness of Salesforce and built a DMS on Salesforce, thus ensuring highly automated, scalable, and a secure platform for business, especially managing large dealer network. And to mention all this happening on a very reliable global platform, which is Salesforce. With real-time stock tracking, mobile field operations, and AI-driven analytics, our solution provides a competitive edge for companies which are rapidly growing and developing the dealer networks. Now, if you are a manufacturing company and you have an established dealer network, a quite large dealer network, and you're looking for a dealer management solution which can help you scale your dealer management to the next level with a reliable platform like Salesforce, then please do talk to us. We'll be more than happy to have a one-on-one session with you to listen what are your issues, what are your problems, and to give you a perfect solution. It might be even we might not land up selling our solution to you, but still we would guarantee that you will have a great conversation with us to understand what are the do's and what are the don'ts, because we would consolidate our 15 years of experience in implementing dealer management solutions across the globe and have that provided to you. Thank you, and look forward to one more video like this on Salesforce.